People often feel very safe in a spreadsheet. They know it, they've used it for years, but they often don't have things like visibility conditions for some people seeing some things, some people seeing other things. The ability to have permissions, the ability to have nice drop downs, visual interfaces, things that stack and look beautiful depending on different roles. And so starting with a spreadsheet is nice because people kind of feel like they know that, but then converting that to a Glide app is a complete game changer. It's a real level up for an organization. Hi everyone, my name is Matt Browning. I'm a co-CEO of Incredible Software.
And I'm Stephen Johnson, and I'm also the co-CEO of Incredible. We specialize in building internal tools for critical operations for businesses, both small and large. Those often look like key sales workflows, CRMs, ERP tools that need to exist and operate on a day-to-day basis. We work with a lot of operations leaders, and their starting point is a spreadsheet. They've got years of context and data that is familiar across their systems, and Glide allows us to easily start from that as the base for the software.
And so we say, show us your spreadsheet. Show us all the spreadsheets you have that are filling in the gaps between your tools, because the people are becoming the automation rather than the tools.
It's not the tools that you have as a business, it is the gaps between them. Glide is a really key tool in our suite to be able to unlock that for businesses. It's actually something that sits within their system of the existing tools that they have. So it actually works for them and has synergies with the tools that they've already got, rather than being another thing that's just creating more debt and another thing that they've got to log into.
GlideOS right now is in a really interesting space because people are so used to prompting, they're so used to just making things happen with existing AI tools, but they haven't really solved the pain of an organization. And so allowing GlideOS to say, we know how to do internal tools, means that companies are getting something that fits them out of the box.
Yeah, it's a real game changer. I mean, it's completely, in our view, separate from a lot of the existing vibe coding tools out there. And the GlideOS feels like something that we can start with existing business logic, largely that being in an Excel worksheet or something else. And we can actually build something that will solve a problem and add value in a relatively short period of time. Yeah, a great example of a client process we've gone through is with a multinational who provides cleaning equipment to airports and warehouses all around the world. And that client was using an Excel spreadsheet to manage their field services operations. So their sales team were doing all of their quoting off this sheet and had all the problems that running that type of operation on an Excel spreadsheet has. Version controlling, having up-to-date data in terms of stock on hand in relation to their existing supply chains, and also speed. You know, they were visiting a client, then having to go back to the office, then spending over an hour in this Excel spreadsheet, then going back to the client. So they wanted to solve this problem. So we took that spreadsheet and used it as the base for the app that we built in Glide. So we've used what they've already got as clear context to then build something that is a much easier, faster tool. And the result is that they now can quote live on site. So all of their field representatives can go with a client, they can talk about what they want to create, and based on the materials and things they need, they can live create that quote on site and get that signed. It's a much faster sales process. It's a much more efficient way for them to use their time. If you are running an operation in a business and you have a spreadsheet and you find yourself not enjoying being in that spreadsheet, GlideOS is perfect for you. It's going to save you a lot of time and give you back the time that you can focus on to do the things you love.